tired of struggling with thin, lifeless hair? Don't worry. In this video, we'll uncover 10 expert-backed tips to strengthen your hair, boost its thickness, and promote natural growth. Let's get started. Healthy hair begins from within. Add nutrient-rich foods like biotin, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids to your diet. These nutrients support your hair structure and encourage growth. Dehydration affects your hair's health too. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily to keep your hair hydrated, shiny, and strong. Boost circulation to your hair follicles by massaging your scalp. Use gentle motions with oils like coconut or castor oil for added nourishment. Natural oils are nature's gift for hair care. Coconut oil prevents breakage, argan oil adds shine, and castor oil promotes thickness. Look for shampoos and conditioners that are free of sulfates, parabens, and harsh chemicals. Opt for products tailored to your hair type. Minimize heat styling and always use a heat protectant. Excessive heat damages hair cuticles, leading to breakage. Get rid of split ends with regular trims every 6 to 8 weeks. Trimming promotes healthier growth and keeps your hair looking thick. Pamper your hair with DIY masks. Try mixing eggs, yogurt, and honey for a protein-rich mask that strengthens and thickens your hair. Stress can lead to hair loss. Practice relaxation techniques like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing to improve both your mental health and hair growth. There you have it, 10 easy ways to take care of your hair and transform it from thin to thick. Start your journey today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips.